Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Snapchat is up to date and the image you want is in Photos. Open the app and go to the camera or chat screen. Tap your profile icon, then the gear to check settings if needed. This ensures wallpaper options display correctly. Once ready, return to a chat with a friend or group where you want the wallpaper. Make sure you have permission for group changes. This avoids surprises later. In the chat, tap the three-dot menu at the top and choose Chat Settings, then Wallpaper. You'll see choices: photo, color, or a snap. Pick photo to use an image from Photos, then crop and position it with pinch and drag. This sets focal point for different screen sizes. Tap Apply to preview. If you choose color, select a hue and intensity. For snap, pick a recent snap to reuse. Once applied, the chat background updates immediately. After applying, open the chat to confirm the wallpaper appears as intended for you and, if applicable, other members. If it didn't save, try reapplying or force close and reopen Snapchat. This refreshes cached settings. Make sure app permissions to Photos are enabled. Lack of access prevents selecting images. If problems persist, clear cache from settings or reinstall the app. That usually fixes corrupted data. Finally,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.